ka pa rin po in personalan, kapatid. Medyo naibitin ka takaretang maintrigang questions mo. At ngeni, umpisan tayo, Kenny, kay Obra. Discuss mo na you're trained, either mati kayong 3-week training. Question, how was your first day sa field? Kayo ba may ngatakutan kareng doctors
These are doctors.
They live busy lives, nanay kay makit rugo. And then, akit das na nyo kayong clinic, dakal kayong medrep sa manay-naya. Makananing first day, would you recall, Pam?
Ang first day ko, challenge siya ka na kasi marine ako. Ako naman kilala. So, in-introduce ko yung kana akong product. Yung sarili ko pa mo, tapos my company, tapos itong produkto ko na. Pinita. Ito, flow niya kanto.
You breeze through it lang?
Yes, makanta mo.
Oo, makanya niya kagaling.
That was for naning first area mo.
First area ko, Kenny.
Pampanga. O anyang lumol ka Pampanga?
Akay ko, Laguna, Quezon. Laguna, Daul, Quezon.
Oh my God.
Kami nga lokadang.
Aliko. Makabi ko ba ka na?
So, talagang penilings mo dapat talaga full of confidence. At the same time, balo mo rin sasabihan mo, di ba?
Yes, kasi dapat balo mo lang itang product mo. Kasi yung balo mo itang confidence.
Sorry. How was the first encounter with the doctors?
Yung first encounter ko with the doctors, nataranta ako. Kasi there was lacks ng information, you know.
Yeah.
Hindi lang yung name nila yung tatandaan mo, yung face, yung schedule nila, yung secretaries, tapos yung mga sasabihin mo sa kanila. And ang dami namin pupuntok. And then plus na nung na-assign ako sa Pangasinan, it was my first time to be away from home. Hindi ko rin alam yung lugar. Kailangan tandaan ko saan ako sasakay.
Those are one of the challenges na itang mga lili-lili kayo. Yes. And then finally, when you met the doctor,
when I met the doctor, sa una mahirap, totoo, kahit naman ano sigurong trabaho. But as you go along, you get comfortable, masasanay ka din.
Is it true, kapatid? Ito sinabi mo din. You have to contend with, you know, doctor's homes, doctor's idiosyncrasies, Dr. Busit. How do you handle them?
Well, generally, doctors are mababait.
Really?
Yes,
You
yes.
just have to understand na yung oras talaga nila is hindi rin nila control yung mga pasyente.
Pero meron din.
Yes, meron mga idiosyncrasies and tantrums like you said. But as medical representatives, no, dyan po ability namin.
Public relations.
Kailangan, madami kang klaseng personality.
Are you trained for that also?
I guess, hindi yata eh.
Kanya-kanya na lang.
Inert mo na yun eh. Inert na sa'yo.
Oh my God. Okay.
Ako medyo curious ko, Tita Pam ako tangkin na din yung first day. Pwede bang first day mo, kunwari, yung area mo, minuna is Pampanga, ating ka bang kayabe from the same company na sopan na ka, turuana na ka, or you were practically on your own na yung first day mo?
Anong yung Pampanga ako? Ating ko pa kantang senior. Ating kang adwa. Sopa na ako nung ako na din clinics kasi kaya nalaki kaya endorse nalaki kanina dapat punta lang. So ating kang kayabe. Pero ding alwa naman nala, go with your own.
Medyo masakit.
Unlike kitang Laguna, Quezon, I go on my own. Kanta.
Inkay, you are practically competitors.
No.
You're not?
No.
I mean, your pharmaceutical companies are.
We are, but we're not competitor. Pag siya kasi sinabing competitor, para same product, nilalaban kayo.
Okay.
That's competitor.
Okay.
Pero
So
kami same company
you are, ano mga products mo? Generally, they are...
hormones.
Oo. So, pangkaila.
Pambabayi, panglalaki, reproductive.
Inkay ka?
Antibiotics.
Okay. So, no clash. Pero, if you are, for example, if you meet or you encounter another med rep na of the same product as yours, makanya ba talaga, is that really true na talagang very stiff in competition?
Yes.
Really? Kung man masasabi?
Ay, hindi kayo masasabi niya kaya man. Siyempre.
Kasi balo po ito sulutan eh.
Depende. Kasi so parly, basta talaga nakasasiran. Dapat dalo may limitation mo. Basta more of product, alam problema.
Pero may kakaproblema kayo bang makanya? Nitang siraan, sulutan?
Ating mo rin, pero dapat nalapapansinan. Kasi maging immature na kakanta.
And speaks a lot about your company. Siyempre, patsang ginawa kang, masanting dapat.
Palagi peka-attractive akakit na rin fresh grad kay Obrayo is the perks, the car.
car.
kotse.
Sinabi mo na, di ba kayong BMW
Oo.
ka?
No, you know what is BMW
Ano yan?
stands for?
Ano
By
yun?
means of walking.
Talagang kadilakad ka kanita.
Yes,
Oo.
exactly. Kasi yung ating company, mag-start ka, maglakad ka pa mo for 2 years, 4 months. That's why ginayang kaya ang BMW. Para naman.
By means of walking. Yan
oo.
pala yung BMW.
Pero karin may talaga in-establish yung sarili mo kay BMW.
You have to prove your worth first before you are given the perk. Di nanda ka sa
Kapilan,
akin.
when will the company give you your own car? After such time or potang ambit mo
Or
lang ang
aliwaying
sales?
company mo.
Different companies have different policies.
Okay.
Doon sa first company ko, hindi ako nabigyan ng kotse for 2 years. So,
Oh!
nag-BMW din ako like Pam. Sa second company ko, right on the very first day, naka-brand new car na ako.
Wow! Kasi malo ko, yan talaga yung kaya. O yan talaga yung metong ka rin burida rin kaya na ka na fresh graduates. You are given your own car, you are given your own laptop, computer. Gusto ba?
Hindi naman laptop.
Nano?
Cellphone.
Makanaman mo na yung madaling computer.
Ali, kay, nga, siguro, PDA ang
Ah,
napirma. Nalibang ang ating
okay.
PDA, ating manual mo. Kami,
Oo.
manual yung PDA. Depende.
Okay, let's talk about perks. Aside from the car, nano pa yung bibiyada rin pharmaceutical companies?
Incentive.
Like,
Abroad,
oh,
local.
travels?
Yes.
Wow! Ano nakamiras dan?
States.
Ay, talaga?
Ay, Hong Kong, Singapore, mga ganyan.
Sabi talaga yan,
Oh, yeah.
travels.
Pero
in
you have-
company, in Kotanin company, achieve ni the whole, at saka receive me, tapos top ka,
Oo.
ating kang privilege natin, kang incentive tour. Every company, mga ta.
Is it the same for you?
Yes.
Oo.
And then
Or are the other perks na bibiyada ng
well, generally parehas lang.
Yes.
In the form of sales incentive, travel, which is rare. And then you get discounts from medicine. Like in our case, meron
Yes,
kaming
yes,
vaccine,
alam
so
ko yan.
meron kaming discount sa vaccines namin.
Aha, aha.
Pero,